All right, so I'm gonna get straight to it. And this, what I'm gonna talk about is how to make like around $40 a message, um, just using Marketplace. And what I mean by that is you can use it $40 cash, like pure profit, like no going to inventory or nothing like that. Like, hey, someone fill out a form, you making $40. So probably can make more. It depends on the offer itself. So initially, a few weeks ago, I did a thing where I showed people initially how to make a listings on let's say how to make a listings on Facebook Marketplace, right? So after that, then I got messages coming in. So for the past, few hours, obviously you can see I got like seven. Well, I got like four messages, right? So with these people, hey Jeremiah, is it still available? What's the wattages of the panel? What I could simply do is I can go over here to Offer Vault, right? And I can type in solar. So let me go to Offer Vault, type in solar. Okay, and now I can see for a solar quotes and installation form submission, that's $50. All right, so paper call solar transfer only, that's $55. Just for someone to give a simple phone call, that's $55. For a form submission, that's $10 right there. Or for solar right here, market call for leads, that's $42. So what I would do is I will basically join a network right here. So basically the page is very simple. It looks pretty straightforward. Let's see here. That's a solar guard. So I'm guessing like a solar guard. It's not necessarily, it's like an outdoor light or something of that nature. But what I'm looking for is solar quotes, like completely solar quotes. Right here, it's $50 for a foreign submission. So if I actually run this offer right here, the only thing you have to do is take this link right here, copy it just like this, literally copy it just like this, your affiliate link. You might want to build a landing page. So remember I told you about this software called Brazy Cloud, right? You could take this, all right, you can build a landing page very fast. And what you would do is you would paste the link of that landing page and say, hey, yes, it's available. Check out, fill out the form, and a rep will be contacting you shortly. And what I could say is, boom, paste that right there. And I could take this right here, my affiliate link. So control copy this, and I will paste it right there. All right. So, and I'll paste my affiliate link right there. So let me just put that in there just like that. And so when a person comes, they're going to fill out this form right here. And from there, they will get a lead and they will submit there. And that will be $50 for me in my pocket. So literally, that's how you can literally turn nothing off of Facebook Marketplace into a $50 submission by literally just filling out the form. I mean, you fill out the form, you get paid $50. I mean, it's pretty easy. This is like free cash. Like literally, it's free cash. And I don't know if you guys knew about this strategy or anything in that nature. I talked about it weeks ago in my other videos, but it's very simple, straightforward, to the point there. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.